Machine vision is transforming how modern businesses operate, bringing speed, precision, and efficiency to industries worldwide. From quality control, where even the smallest defects are detected in real time, to automated assembly, where robots perform tasks with unmatched accuracy, machine vision is redefining production standards. It also enables fast sorting and categorization of products based on size, shape, or color, helping businesses streamline their supply chains. And when it comes to barcode scanning and inventory tracking, machine vision ensures every product's accounted for accurately and instantly. In high-precision industries like automotive and electronics, it supports detailed measurements, maintaining strict quality benchmarks. But behind every powerful machine vision system is high-quality data. That's where Annotation Box comes in. With expert-driven image annotation, data labeling, and custom AI training datasets, Annotation Box helps businesses build reliable machine vision models that deliver real-world accuracy. From improving quality checks to powering intelligent automation, Annotation Box enables companies to unlock the full potential of machine vision.